These are the basic symbols to know. Let's start. Follow right side images, and do along with me. Fold in the middle, and unfold back again. Fold left and right corners to middle. Now, fold behind. Now, fold right and left corners to center, and unfold again. Place your finger inside, and fold downwards. Repeat the same, other side also. Now, fold two sides upwards. Fold, back and forth. Now, fold in half, and rotate. Place your finger inside, and fold downwards from inside, to get beak. Your parrot is ready now.